Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you one of my life heroes.
A little bit of inspiration, might I sense, Michael?
Yes, but more the older style one than the more recent, what they've done to poor old Scrooge McDuck. So this is a production from the New Zealand Mint. This is officially licensed Disney product, so it's all legit. And I think you were saying it's actually New Zealand Mint, not Agoro.
Yes, so this is their bullion arm, not their numismatic one. So, and always love what they do with the custom monster box lids.
They look great, don't they?
I do think there is. I was talking with Alex. I do think there's a little bit more they could have done with this one. You know, given the subject material, but it is still very cool to see, and just makes it that little bit more interesting.
Yeah, it does. So if you buy what is there, 200 in a box. So if you buy a full box, it'll come. Possibly, probably with a Scrooge McDuck monster box. But yeah, these look fantastic. So, what's the mintage on these, mate? Do you know?
25,000 on these. So kind of fairly mid range for a bullion coin like this. Not super limited, but not one that they've blown out to crazy numbers.
This is one. I think you're going to find, because that's 25,000 worldwide, that's not 25,000 for Australia, New Zealand or anything like that. I actually think you're going to find these go fairly quickly because...
I think they will, just purely based on the numbers we've been able to get. So that's it. I'm talking, global mintage, but even for the amount we were able to secure, I do think they'll go fairly quickly.
And they've done, I reckon they've done a brilliant job. I actually saw these a little while ago, so... they had a sample one, so I just think this is beautiful. It's the classic Scrooge McDuck pose.
Diving into his money bin of gold coins and other treasures.
But they've done really well. They've done, like, you've even got the brickwork in the background to his big vault.
Yeah.
You've got the detail of all the coins and that in the foreground, moving towards the background. And he's even got a little safe hidden in the back. I just think they've done a really good job with this.
Inspiration for stackers everywhere.
Yeah, that's right. You've even got just the hint of the door into the vault there and the ladder, just in the edge of it. So a really beautiful coin design by New Zealand Mint there. And then on the back, valued at $2 from the Republic of Niue.
Very cool.
Or Niue or New I. Everyone seems to pronounce that one differently. And it is a 2025 dated coin. So a beautiful job done by New Zealand Mint. I really like this one, and it's sufficiently different. They've had a few same olds. I hope New Zealand's not listening to this, but they've done a few of the same olds with the Star Wars one. And this is a bit of a breakaway, and I think they've done just a really perfect job with this one.
Well, they had the license a couple of years ago for some of the numismatic stuff. We saw a 3 ounce that was quite cool, but again, I didn't feel like played into the really cool money bin thing that he's known for. So it's cool to see them try it in bullion, but also cool to see them play into it a little bit more.
Yeah. So good job, New Zealand Mint. Big thumbs up from us. Grab them while you can. We don't have a lot. We are trying to secure some more, but I'm not holding my breath. But yeah, grab them while you can.